the party, and I don't want this night to end. I'm a cowboy Casanova, so come on over and bring your friends. I'll be your honeybee, girl, I think that I need you now. She shake that thing cause I'm in the zone. All I'm thinking about is getting you home. I love the badonka stones, moonshine and honky tonks. Country must be country wide, so come on girl, just let me ride. I hear them voices talking, they saying shake it honey. It's a barefoot blue jean night, and I got that lotto money. That lotto money. Lotto money.
Dancing while intoxicated, DWI. Uzi dripping on my drink while I'm dripping on the top. Back it in, back it up. Let me see what you're pushing. Body work, looking good, and I see got that cushion. Lady, put it in reverse, fella. Put it in drive. 10 and 2 on the hips and let that thing fly. Lady, put it in reverse, fella. Put it in drive. 10 and 2 on the hips and let that thing fly.
He a bit hot, yeah. Us Texas boys, you know we like cold beer. Split it back up, girl, shake the rear. Now plot a damn store like an old John Deere. Ready to the club, got the game down right. Got 2 buckle bunnies, wanna do it all night, that's right. So turn on the lights, look. Don't give a VIP cause I own this bar. Triple shot of crown, let's take it to the car. Got the camera phone out, making video stars. Going hard, drop it, spin it. The dance floor is your ticket.
Got a drink in my hand and I don't care what they saying. So make that booty bounce, bounce, bounce. Gonna make that booty bounce, bounce, bounce. Yeah, they dancing while intoxicated, DWI. Uzi dripping on my drink while I'm dripping on the top. Back it in, back it up. Let me see what you're pushing. Body work, looking good, and I see got that cushion. Lady, put it in reverse, fella. Put it in drive. 10 and 2 on the hips and let that thing fly. Lady, put it in reverse, fella. Put it in drive. 10 and 2 on the hips and let that thing fly.
Okay, shots, shots, shots. Get bombs and living. Drops, drops, so go with it, country women.
Hot, hot. All this man go, let us show you what we got. Low cash, redneck, social club. Low cash, redneck, social club. Low cash, redneck, social club.
Let's learn Dancing While Intoxicated. It's choreographed by Donna Manning. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver, low intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Dancing While Intoxicated. Section 1. Your feet are going to be shoulder width apart and your weight will be split between both. We're going to rotate our right heel in towards the center, rotate it back out and put weight onto your right foot. You're now going to rotate your left heel in towards the center, rotate it back out and put weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do a kickball cross, kicking that right foot forward into the right diagonal. Quickly step your right next to your left and then cross your left over your right. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to hit your left knee up into the 10-30 diagonal. You're going to step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to cross our right behind our left, step your left foot to the side, and then cross your right over your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is split. Your feet are shoulder width apart, starting with that right heel in. So it's and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 2, we're going to quickly make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then step your right foot to the right side. Your feet should be shoulder width apart. You're now going to take your right hand, put it on your right hip, take your left hand, put it on your left hip, and we're going to do 2 hip rolls clockwise from right to left, rolling them around from right to left, then do it again from right to left. And when you end that, you want your weight on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Our crossover was 1, so you're going to quickly step back, making that quarter turn, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a kick ball change. So we're going to kick that right foot forward, quickly step your right next to your left, and then step your left next to your right. We're now going to do a big step forward with our right, and you're going to slide that left foot into your right. We're now going to pop our knees forward, lifting our heels up off the ground, and your knees are going to slightly go out to the side. So you're going to bend and pop forward, forward, and you want to end with your weight on your left foot. We're now going to do a kick ball step, kicking that right foot forward, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our 2 hip rolls. You're going to do your kick ball change. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, turning on your right foot to face 9 o'clock, and then you're going to hook your left foot over your right. From here, we're going to do wizard steps. So you're going to step your left foot forward and slightly into the left diagonal, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then quickly step your left foot forward. We're now going to step our right foot forward and slightly into the right diagonal, bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then quickly step your right foot forward. You're now going to step your left foot out to the left side, step your right foot out to the right side, shoulder width apart, ready to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're going to step with your right and do that half hook. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Feet are shoulder width apart, starting with that right heel in. So it's swivel in, kick, ball, cross, step, hitch, side, behind, side, cross, quarter back, side, hip, 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 roll, kick, ball, change, slide together, knee pop, kick, ball, step, half, hook, wizard, step out, out. Let's try it with some counts. Shoulder width apart, starting with that right heel. And 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, when you are transitioning into that next wall and you step out left, out right, you want to make sure that you're not really sitting on this right foot because you want to be able to swivel that heel in. So when you step out with the right, keep that right heel slightly off the ground so your weight is more on your left so that you can swivel that heel in. It will help make that transition feel a little bit easier. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is split between both feet. You're starting with those heels in. So it's right heel, left heel, kick, ball, cross, step, hitch, side, behind, side, cross, quarter out, hip, hip, roll, kick, ball, change, slide together, knee pop, kick, ball, step, half, hook, wizard, step out, out, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, heel and kick, ball, cross, step, hitch, side, behind, side, cross, quarter out, hip, hip, now you roll, kick, ball, change, slide together, knee pop, kick, ball, step, half, hook, wizard, step out, out, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rare demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn dancing while intoxicated. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, they dancing while intoxicated. DWI, Uzi dripping on my drink while I'm dripping on the thigh. Back it in, back it up. Let me see what you're pushing. Body work, looking good, and that seat got that cushion. Lady, put it in reverse, fella, put it in drive. 10 and 2 on the hips and let that thing fly. Lady, put it in reverse, fella, put it in drive. 10 and 2 on the hips and let that thing fly.
Bounce and shake it, move it, girl, let's see if you can do it. Take it to the flow and prove it. Good Lord, you a pro, I knew it. Just like Taylor, I'm Swift, baby. And I ain't mean this a gift, baby. This is my kind of party, and I don't want this night to end. I'm a cowboy Casanova, so come on over and bring your friends. I'll be your honeybee, cause girl, I think that I need you now. So shake that thing, cause I'm in the zone. All I'm thinking about is getting you home. I love them Donkin' tones, moonshine and honky tonks. Cause you must be countrywide, so come on girl, just let me ride. I hear them voices talking, they saying shake it honey. It's a barefoot blue jean night, and I got that lotto money. That lotto money, lotto money.
Dancing while intoxicated, DWI, Uzi dripping on my drink while I'm dripping on the thigh. Back it in, back it up, let me see what you're pushing. Body work, looking good, and that seat got that cushion. Lady, put it in reverse, fella, put it in drive. 10 and 2 on the hips and let that thing fly. Lady, put it in reverse, fella, put it in drive. 10 and 2 on the hips and let that thing fly.
Get really hot here. Us Texas boys, you know we like cold beer. With it back up, girl, shake the rear. Now plot a dance floor like an old John Deere. Ready to the club, got the game down right. Got 2 buckle bunnies, wanna do it all night, that's right. So turn on the lights. Don't give a VIP.